Good evening guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at BigBear.ai stock. This one as of Friday was down by 3.64%, but we're going to be looking at what could be coming in the next week. I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions and all of the levels that I'm looking forward to into the next few days over the course of this video. If you do enjoy it, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. You guys already know I try and make as many videos for you every single day as I can, and again, if you want to show a bit of appreciation for that, the easiest way is to subscribe to the channel. Do remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. You should be doing your own research as this is not financial advice. Now, jumping straight into this one, I'm paying a lot of attention to the past 5 days. You can see an ultimate downtrend. This was by 2.3%, with the majority of that actually coming in the last couple of days of the week. The past month over here is still green by 8.32, and the past 6 months we're still up by 210%, which is a fact absolutely not worth forgetting. Now jumping back into the charts in a bit more detail. You see over the last couple of days specifically a very interesting trend forming, and that all forms around the $7 range. For this, let's zoom in and let's have a look at this in a bit more context. Now you can clearly see the line that I just drew across, but let's actually really highlight this and make this as large as possible, okay? If I draw the line here, you can very clearly see the 710, 711 maybe, this point as a key level of support. Where do you see this? Well, you see it one time. You see it 2 times all the way through the 8th, the 9th and the 10th. And now you see it coming in on Friday. For that reason, for the strength that we've seen here before, this could be a level to watch out for into this upcoming week. If you're not able to hold this, next levels could be just below at $7 on the dot. Next levels could be in the 690s, maybe the 680s, we've seen this in the past. But again, realistically, this is one of the strongest levels that we do have around this range, so to see this hold would be absolutely fantastic. Now if you begin to really drop below the 670s, right, you see levels potentially up to 668 and maybe even all the way down to the 640s. So really, this is kind of a significant moment for the stock. Again, it is a moment where we have seen historical strength. Now on the same note, from hitting this on Friday, we did see a very strong rally towards the late part of the day. Clearly not enough to bring us green, still down by 3.64%, but overall things slightly picking up. Going forwards, we are looking at some potential levels of resistance coming in right around the 745 mark. You are seeing this to a degree on Friday, and you saw this way back on the 7th or 6th, I believe, somewhere in this time period, as you can see around here. Next levels above that where resistance could show itself could be around the 750, 755 mark. Similar things back here. You could then be looking at also numbers a little bit higher, 770, 775, 780. These are the numbers to pay attention to. The RSI on this one is now, of course, beginning to fall after that crazy week that we have had. But again, it is not necessarily in the oversold range. However, a nice little recovery into this next week would bring it back to neutral. So my objective for this week is actually very simple. The thing that I'm looking for and the levels that I'm paying attention to are really staying above this major line of support. If we drop below that, things do become a bit more questionable. We're looking to break out of key levels of resistance. Close levels matter first, then of course potentially onto higher levels in the high 7s for a potential breakout above $8. I don't want to make it more or unnecessarily over complex, guys. That's really all I'm looking for, especially into the early to mid part of next week. But as you guys should know by now, I do make videos for you every single day, so I'll be giving you my thoughts and opinions day by day and reacting to things as they do happen. So make sure to subscribe for that. Thank you for your time, guys. I hope I'll see you again soon, and goodbye for now.